Alright, welcome back. Here we are going to unbox the Hollyland Melo P1. Melo? I kind of want to say Melo. It's a wireless music creation system. It's got a lot of things going on here, so we're going to unbox it. And that's what we do here on the unboxing thing. I could also just shut up. And that'd probably be fine for a lot of you. Or just hit the mute button. So there we go. Connect it to your phone. Use the app. So it gives you some instructions right there. Oh, some accessories here we'll have a look at in a second. Little reset pin and some different earplugs for the headphones. I actually just threw that across the room in the trash and nailed it. I like how they're utilizing all the space here. It looks like some kind of a silicone attachment, but here is the box. It's like a lunch box, man. This thing is pretty good in size here. Wow. Nice and like heavy duty. Charge everything at once, and then here we go. So inside is the microphone system and a nice little spot for USB-C to USB-C cord here to charge it. Look at that. That's pretty clever. All right, so within this, so what it is, it's like kind of like a karaoke, kind of like a handheld microphone for talking to a camera. Really nice wireless microphone powered on down here at the bottom. It's got USB-C to charge it individually, or you can just pop it on here because it has charging units right there, which it is charging now. Next we have this guy right here, which is a way to hook this thing into your phone, just right like that, USB-C, and then you can also be charging this as well. And then it's got 1/8 inch, I believe, out. So on this channel, we just unbox it because we're unboxing it anyways. But yeah, this is a remote that you can add like laughter, like laugh tracks, applause, appreciation, warm-ups, add some music, vocal effects, ducking, and you can mute the microphone as well. On-off switch at the bottom. And looks like this one takes an actual little battery, like a watch battery. And you can adjust the headphone volume right here on the side. And the reverb levels as well. That's pretty cool. So pop that there. And then you have your earphones where they put tape over the contact so it's not charging while it's being shipped. So you can wear these and then you can actually listen directly. So you can have direct monitoring of your sound, which is great for professional use, or just like, again, if you're singing like karaoke or whatever, that would be a great use for it. So this came with it. Assuming this would go like here, so if you want a strap for that, it's pretty heavy. Looks like they give you another cable probably to charge. I think that other one that was inside is probably more so for connecting it to your phone directly. And this looks like a little rubber ring for the base of this microphone, just like that. Cool. Not really sure exactly why, but sure. And looks like we have here a rubber band for something, and USB-C to USB-A, so you can plug this thing in to your computer if you need that cord. And then we also have an 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch adapter to plug this thing into an amplifier or mixer if you need to. I'm not sure where the reset thing comes into play here, but well, I guess we'll have to keep looking. But yeah, you got a bunch of different ear phone plugs you can use, and even parts on your ear, which is good too if you have multiple people wanting to use them. It's kind of nice to have extra options. So there we go. That's the Hollyland Melo P1 all right there. So that's the unboxing experience for it. And thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more.